maglo-glow ka talaga anytime and anywhere kapag meron ka nitong Skin Tipic na Radiance Booster Serum. Napakasyado ng packaging, napakasosyal. Kung nagtataka kayo bakit ganito yung itsura niya, 2-in-1 formula to, so nagbe-blend yung oil and yung serum niya. Kung gagamitin mo siya, i-shake mo muna siya dyan para mag-blend talaga siya ng maayos bago mo siya ilagay sa face mo. And what makes it special, bukod sa 2-in-1 formula siya, 3-in-1 use pa. If gagamitin mo siya as skincare, pwede mo tong gamitin as your serum spray. Like that. Pwede mo rin itong gamitin as primer and pwede mo rin siyang gamitin as setting spray. Ultra fine mist yan, girl. Tignan nyo guys kung gaano kapino yung mismong spray niya. And girl, it's so smooth on the skin. Wala kang mararamdaman na kahit anong lagkit feeling. Although may oil siya and serum siya, para ka lang naglagay ng water. And it has the ingredients to repair your skin barrier. And this can also help to hydrate, calm, or repair your skin. Kasi girl, yung mga ingredients niya, panalong-panalo talaga. Ang bilis niya rin talagang ma-absorb and since spray nga siya, ang dali-dali niyang na-spray sa buong face mo. My skin looks better naman ngayon compared before since nagagamit ako nito and wala talaga akong na-feel na any irritation or harmful effects. That's why I really recommend this to you guys kung gusto mong mag-hydrate and mag-glow ng skin. So that's it for this video. I'll continue my makeup na kasi nakapag-primer naman ako using this product. And if you wanna try it, I will put the link na lang dyan on my yellow basket. Bye!